Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to polar array in SCAD. So you can go to parametric body, and for example I will create for the base body. Okay, you can draw a circle, click close and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now I will create SCAD in the top face. Okay, we create again circle in here and you can close. Now, if you want to create the polar array from this SCAD, you can go to SCAD, double click, and select the object. Now, you can click these icons, rotate or polar transform. You can click and set for the copies. Number of copies I will set into 6. And the next, set for the center rotation. Okay, I will click in the origin point. You can rotate like here. Okay, from this point or from here, you can click and then you can rotate like this. So if you rotate in this direction to the left, when to the 360 degree, it will be automatically erased. So if you want to 360 degree, you can move to the right here and then click on the line. So it will be show for the 360 degree. You can click to apply. Now you can close, and we already use the polar array to SCAD. So if you want to extrude, you can select the SCAD and use the pad tools. Now click OK. It will be show the problems for the extrusion. To solve these problems, you can select the SCAD, the entities one by one by pressing Ctrl button hold to select the multiple objects. And after it, you can use the pad tools and then click OK to extrude. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1, how to polar array in SCAD.